Okay guys, we're doing the unfreaking expected.
We're expecting more, we're paying more. That's so good actually. So clear! Clear!
No!
Oh no, clear! And Wendy's.
We're at my grandma's house. As you can see,
A girl till oh no. My hydro to my.
guys, guess what? We're not at Walmart. We're at
Ocean
Mart.
There's a red, orange, spirit. The color matches.
Hello, everybody.
Good face color.
We're going to lunch at Olive Garden. Bert, you guessed it, with our friend Kaya that we haven't seen since school ended. Period. Guys, we came to RC1 and we're just here for the massage chairs. And there's workers everywhere. There's options. Stretch, Japanese. I think I need to stretch my body. Oh, here we go.
Me and my legs get out.
The frick?
It goes over the mattress and under your bed sheet. Okay, so it's kind of
Okay, it's dog biscuits. Oh my god, this is a bed you can like hide under if a killer's coming.
There's a door. Yeah, you can go look.
Dora.
You can go hang out down there. Oh my god. Oh, this is the house with the right.
My grandma's pillows. What? There's me. Oh, it's like a.
Oh my god,
I thought it was gonna be soft.
she dances.
Set it up with Wi-Fi?
What?
Yeah, that's what it says. Look.
I'm
I'm out. Sydney has a fridge like this.
Are you snapping? Yes. Oh, it's ready. Look at this. I'm open.
Is it just for like small loads that you? I think it is.
Yeah, if you just want to throw a shot in the quick and right. Look, it's blue inside. It's shiny.
It's a touch. It's a touch
I
screen.
found donuts.
This would be lit.
Wait.
Oh my god. Wait. Oh, I think I was just touching it perfectly when it was going on. That's a rack. Wait, you go like this. Oh my god, 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 we gotta get out of here, we gotta get out. Oh my god. What the? By the way, the shelf almost fell, so don't go to RC Willie's in Riverdale, bye.
Cheers. I think that's our cute Lily. I'm scared.
Let's go.
Get this.
This. That's it.
Yeah.
My god. That hurt.
Thanks.
Looks like an egg. Okay.
Where are my keys? Monopoly.
Kaya signing out.
You guys have a splendid
Bye.
day.
We'll see you Monday.
I will see you Monday.
Unless we crash into you next 2 days.
Times I've been around that track, so